I'm in the Ford F-150 2015-2020, and if you're the first time in this car, it's rental car or you just bought it used, you may wonder how you can use the lights in this car. And so you have the pretty simple block of the lights, light controls. And first of all, these two buttons will make your dash brighter or dimmer. So when you press the plus button, it will be brighter, the minus button, it will dim down. Now this is the fog light, so you can turn on the fog light. It will depend on the trim of your car if you have the front fog lights or you don't have them, but the rear fog lights will turn on thanks to this button. And this button turns on the rear light that is located on that part of your car. So you have the rear light on your truck and you turn it on if you actually need it. Then this is the main controls of your lights. It has a little light here, so in the darkness you will see the position of this thing, of this knob. And when it's in zero position, no lights are working, maybe just daytime driving lights if you have them. Now when you turn it to this position, the position number 2, this is the daytime driving light or road position light, depends on where you are and how you call them. So this is not the low beam, high beam, this is just the lights that position your car on the road. Now this third position is the low beam. So now you turned on the low beam. And this is the automatic mode. In this position, your car will decide on its own whether you need the low beam or you just need the daytime driving lights or you just need nothing because it's light outside. So what you need to do to turn on the high beam? First of all, you can switch to the low beam, and then you need your stalk. This is the only stalk in this car, so you don't have the second. And you can press it towards you or to the opposite direction, and you will turn on the high beam. And when you press it again here or here, you will turn off the high beam. So that's quite easy. Now you can use auto mode. In the auto mode, in some Ford F-150 vehicles, you will have auto high beams, and you can use the settings to set these high beams. But you can still be able to turn on and off manually, like this or like this. But when some car is driving on the opposite side of the road and you may disturb the driver with your high beam, the high beam will be turned off automatically thanks to the sensors that are installed in your vehicle. So in some Ford F-150 this is available, in some this is not available because of the trim level. This is how you use the lights in your Ford F-150.